What's up guys, I'm just busy packing some lead time orders. I just finished packing up this one over here for Takealot and I'm about to package another one, and I thought I would just show you step by step what that looks like. I do have this video here walking through the exact step by step procedure, how to print all the labels and everything, but I thought you might want to see practically some packaging. So yeah, just a quick one, but come package some lead time orders with me. This is the order that I'm packaging for today, so just a few lead time orders that came in. Over here we've got the 3 forms that you always need, your product labels, which is over there. So I've already stuck them to my different products, as well as over there. So you got your product labels. The second thing that you need is your shipping note, 2 of them. So just 2 inside here. One is going to go inside the box, one goes outside of the box, and then our shipping label over here, 1 per box for the outside of the box, just like that. Over there you can just see I said 1 out of 1. Pro tip, just always make sure, double check that your quantities on this shipping note is exactly what is going inside the box. That's why I like to have everything organized in front of me like this, so that I don't miss any products or send the wrong amount or undersend, because that shipment will be rejected. So get a box, suitable box. We're gonna fold that up and start packaging.
Okay, so just get the box tape up the bottom. You can use another box that may have labels, just make sure no barcodes are showing. Choose something that's small enough. You don't want to have to use too much padding. Basically just pack them, try get different sizes of boxes. I always have a few options around at home. You can see I always double check my numbers. I want to make sure that the units are correct. Early on I made a couple mistakes like that, and yeah, you don't have to deal with that. So just double check everything, look at the numbers, the quantities, the barcodes, just kind of squeezing them in, seeing how they fit. And I was lucky that this box is fitting pretty good. I always give it a bit of shake test, see how loose it is. And for this box I'm not going to need to put any additional padding in. If there was a lot of blank space, you can just use some cardboard and just mark off that you've got 1 box and 1 of 1 boxes on your shipping label. Very important as well. All you need to do is take that shipping note, fold it in half, and you can add it into the box. 1 is going inside the box and 1 will go outside. When that is done, just tape up the box. For bigger boxes I definitely put more tape, even use the H method as well, as I showed in my other video. But this one, it's such light goods that I know this is going to be fine with the courier guy. I really trust them to look after the goods. Next up, because this box is completely blank, I just like to put an up arrow just so I remember which way is the top.
Just another pro tip, I like to make sure that my stickers are on the side of the box on the actual cardboard. I found that tape like this sometimes has like a bit of a residue on, where we've had a sticker peel off in transit to Takealot, and when it got there they said there was no sticker on the box and it got returned. That was a waste of money. I had to pay for double shipping, etc. So to avoid that, make sure that it is stuck on nicely, again depending what type of tape you have. And also I prefer to put it on the side of the box. I used to put it on the top, especially on bigger boxes, but we also had a box where through the courier that we used, obviously they put a box on top of it. The little corner came loose over here and it basically peeled up, and unfortunately also was returned. Both orders are ready to go. I have the shipping labels on each box and I've written shipping note inside on each box. That mostly applies when you have more than 1 box and all the numbers are correct. The last thing is to go inside, and I need to set up a booking and book this in the system. Again, you can go and check out my other video on exactly how to do that, but I just need to go get a waybill, so book a shipment with the courier guy, and then also stick this to the outside, which I'll show you in a second. One of the shipping notes also need to be stuck to the outside of the box, so let's go do that.
Here is my shipping waybill. I just print the sticker on a 1-up and then I just cut it out just to make it a bit easier for myself. I got the shipping note inside one of the sleeves from the courier guy, and I always just stick on the waybill. I try to keep them together, doesn't really matter, but I make sure that I push them down nicely. I don't want this thing peeling off and losing shipment. And I've got these little stickers. I did explain this in my last video, but this is just for the courier guy to know very quickly which DC it's going to. They provided them for me, so blue for Joburg and purple, pink for Cape Town. These are pretty simple, very sticky though, so be careful. But you basically just peel the back with the shipping note inside. It's basically the same size as the whole box, which is okay. But while I was sticking this, I realized that I couldn't see that I marked the shipping note as well. I forgot to put 1 of 1 boxes. It's probably not a deal breaker, but I just wanted to quickly fill it in for my own peace of mind, so just added 1 over there. put it back inside, peel the tape, and it is sealed. Just push down all the corners again. But these things are pretty sticky. I'm never worried about them coming off. And there you go. That's all finished. I just do a final check for every box. Make sure that you have, that it says shipping note inside, that you've got your shipping note stuck to the box, at least one of the boxes going. You have a label number and a shipping label. And then you're all set, ready to go to Takealot. So there you go, guys. That was just a quick little guide on the packaging. I just wanted to show you that you can have multiple different products going inside one box or two boxes or three boxes, as long as it is all under the same shipment and it's all recorded on the shipping note and shipping label. It's all good. So as you saw, I think I had in the one I showed you, I had 3 different products going in one box. In the box next to it, I think I had 5 different products. Again, those were just lead time orders, so it was small, but I wanted to record it so it's a bit less complicated. Now, if you do still need a more detailed view, remember to check out the other video on my channel where I take you step by step through the actual process. But if you would like to learn a whole bunch more about optimizing your page and increasing your sales and selling more on Takealot, then check out this video right over here on how to increase your Takealot sales. See you in the next one, guys. Keep building.